Okay, so we're going to have to add some fractions here. It says Jane's family ordered pizza to eat during a football game. Jane ate 1/8 of the pizza, 1/8. Her mother ate 1/4, and her father ate 3/8. Okay, so if we want to add these fractions, and then it says how many pieces did the family eat altogether? In other words, the total, which means we have to add them. Now, if we want to add or subtract fractions, we need a common denominator. Can you tell me what that common denominator is going to be? So that's okay. You're getting there, but let's do this. Let's write down the multiples of 4. Okay, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on, right? We don't have to go too far here. We can go to 20. We can go to 24 maybe. And the multiples of 8 are, well, 8 and 16 and 24. So what do they have in common? They have 24 in common. We could use that. But you know what would be easier than 24? 16. That would work. But you know what's even easier than 16 that they both have in common? 8. Right. We could use 8. We could use the others, but 8 would be the easiest one to use. So we want all of our denominators to be 8. 2 wouldn't work because there isn't a 2. Uh, both of these denominators don't have 2 as a multiple. Okay, so do you see why we're saying 8 then? All right, then we don't need those scratch work right now. I'm going to erase that for just a second here. We don't need those multiples right now. We want all of our denominators to be 8. Of course, 2 of them already are 8, so we don't have to deal with that. But this fraction, to make it an 8, what do we have to multiply by to get an 8 there? Both. It'll be the same number on the top and the bottom. It'll be 2, won't it? Because now I'm going to write everything with green. This will be 1/8, right? This will still be 3/8, won't it? But how about here, the top? What's 1 times 2? Good. And what's the bottom? 4 times 2? 8. So now this is a much easier problem. The denominator is 8. See how they're all 8s here? And so on the top, we just have 1 plus 2 plus 3. What's 1 plus 2 plus 3? Very good. Yes, 6 is going to be our numerator. And so our final answer, I'm sorry, not our final answer. 6/8 is right, but let's simplify it. Won't the top be 2 times 3? And the bottom, the denominator, is 2 times 4. So we can simplify those 2's. And our simplified answer will be 3/4. 3/4. I'm sorry, that's not 23. That's 2 times 3. That's a little dot there. And 2 times 4. Not a very good dot, but yeah. 2 times 3 and 2 times 4. So we always want to break down these numbers when we can. Can't always do it. Into simpler, smaller, easier numbers. By the way, 6/8 is correct. It's just not finished, okay, until we simplify it. Does that make any sense, you think? That makes sense, you think? Okay. So let me stop that now. Mm-hmm.